Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two of the most popular air fryer ovens, the Instant Vortex Plus and the Gourmia air fryer oven. We will be evaluating them on different categories, and at the end of the video, we will let you know which one we would prefer. So don't forget to like this video, comment down below what you think, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons. Both air fryer ovens have 6-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat. However, the Instant Vortex Plus has a greater temperature range, 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, making it more versatile. The Gourmia air fryer oven, on the other hand, has 12 one-touch digital presets that deliver the best results, making it more user-friendly. The Gourmia air fryer oven wins in this category, as it has a larger 8-quart basket, which can fit whole meals, so you only need to cook once. The Instant Vortex Plus is perfect for 4 to 6 servings. Both air fryer ovens have non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray. However, the Gourmia air fryer oven has fat removal technology in the air fryer basket, which removes up to 90% of fat through the cooking process, making it easier to clean. The Instant Vortex Plus has built-in safety features like overheat protection, auto-off, and more to keep your mind at ease. The Gourmia air fryer oven, meanwhile, comes with a comprehensive 1-year international warranty for your peace of mind. The Instant Vortex Plus is priced at $129 United States dollars, while the Gourmia air fryer oven is priced at $92 United States dollars. Although the Instant Vortex Plus is more expensive, it comes with one-touch smart programs and even crisp technology, which makes it well worth the cost. And that concludes our comparison between the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer oven and the Gourmia air fryer oven. They both have their own strengths and weaknesses, but in our opinion, the Instant Vortex Plus is the better option as it offers more functionality, even crisp technology, and one-touch smart programs. But don't just take our word for it. Let us know in the comments below which one you prefer. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. We'll see you in the next one.